Let me tell you a story. This is all about an incident that happened somewhere in 1780s. Once, a teacher in a class of 8 years old wanted to take break for some reason. He knew if he leave them without any work, the class would go noisy. For that, he got an idea and he decided to give them a small activity. He just said, add all the numbers from 1 to 100. That is, children had to add 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 and so on up to 100, and they had to tell teacher sum of all these numbers. Teacher thought kids would take at least half an hour to do this job. He kept smiling and he told them that he'll be back in few minutes. He was about to leave the class. Within few seconds, he could hear a voice saying 5050, 5050. The teacher turned around and saw who was that boy who gave that answer 5050. In fact, it was the right answer. He was so shocked to hear this answer and he asked that boy, how did you get that answer so quickly? The boy explained his answer. The boy wrote 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on up to 99 100. The boy could identify a pattern. So he took first number from the beginning and the first number from the last, that is 1 and 100. He just added them. 1 plus 100 was 101. Then he took second number from the beginning, second number from the last. He added them. He saw that 2 plus 99 was also 101. Similarly, he took third number from the beginning and third number from the last. He added these two numbers, that is 3 plus 98. So the sum was 101 again. So he could find out that sum of such pairs is always 101. And how many such pairs are there? There are 50 such pairs, isn't it? So he could just multiply 50 such pairs by 101. The sum was 5050, 5050. This boy was just amazing. Later on, he went to become one of the greatest mathematicians of all time. He was none other than Carl Friedrich Gauss.